boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. $900 box, as you can tell from the title. If you're new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a sneaker mystery box. Shipped to me from Soul Supremacy. Is a membership-based company. No membership spots have been open. And yeah, we'll get that out the way. I've been having a whole bunch of new people randomly hitting me up about how they do their mystery boxes or whatever. So if you're new to the channel, that's all we have here. A $900 mystery box. I'm gonna try not to chew my gum so much in this video. Your boy just got home from the gym. Deadlift day, so I'm still amped up from the pre-workout. So, and my wife and son ain't even home, so I can be a little loud today. We're gonna jump right in though. $900 box. Soul Supremacy been blessing me this year. We got some new members that just came on. I see from Twitter, they had announced that they let the new members, I think they got memberships last year, are now able to buy boxes. I could be mistaken. If you're a new member and you watching, you can correct me down in the comments. But I think that's what's going on now. So congrats to those guys. I got a lot of loose shoes in this box. That could be an okay thing because some of them look like they got some pretty good value. Like these low top bread, 11, size 9.5, no box, a ton of sock lint. Not in the worst shape. Could use a good cleaning. You guys know how these mystery boxes are, man. No, I don't know the conditions and all that stuff for the new people that's watching. So I'm seeing them for the first time, just like you. Low top bread, 11s. I prefer the highs. If you've been following me for a while, you know I just pulled the highs and I did keep them. I got these shoes maybe a year or two ago from Soul Supremacy. These are Hyperposits. I want to say the name is Plum. I'm not even sure. No box on these. Let me see what the size is. I can't remember what NBA star was rocking these. These are a size 12. They look like a size 1200, but these are a size 12. These things are huge. That color is gonna pop on court if you're a hooper. The bottom still look pretty solid. Overall, the whole shoe is pretty clean. Size 12. Not phone posit. I think they just call posits. I could be mistaken. You guys will see that down below. Now we have some foam posits. These are the aqua foam posits. I've had these a couple of times. These are a size 12 also. Again, pretty good shape. I like the colorway on these. These are pretty nice. Check these out. You guys see the bottoms. Trying to get close enough where you guys can peep them out. These ain't bad at all. I like these. This colorway is kind of fire. Foam posits make some dope rain boots. Every time it rains here in Oklahoma like crazy, which it has been, I'll pull out a pair of foams and skip through the rain. No, I don't be skipping, but you know what I mean. You play in the rain in foams. We got the Gem Red 14s that just dropped, I think last year. These, yeah, 2020. 4/17/20 was the release date or drop date of these. These look like beaters. No box. Let me tell you how the size. Size 12 on these also. Check those out. Out of the three, these might be the worst condition. Look like somebody scraped them right here on their little shark tooth. No box on those. This is a weird box, man. I got a ton of these clear containers. We got the Jordan 7 Orion, I'm not sure how they pronounce that. But I have these in a 9.5 also. And these are now at 12. Somebody didn't have drop front cases, but they had them in the clear boxes. They look a little folded up, I guess, because of the way they were sitting. But overall, pretty clean. I don't know why I've been getting these a ton. I have two pair now, but But I think like in the last 6 months, I probably had about 4 pairs of this same colorway in the Jordan 7. And if you see them in this clear box and you buy them from me, you will be getting this clear box because I have like enough of them. I prefer the drop front cases. These come from the Container Store also. I don't think y'all care, but I tell you. We have a pair of 10s in that same type of box. I think these are the Shadow 10s. I'm not gonna cap, I was a fan of these when they came out. When did these drop? 2013. I was a fan of these when these dropped. These aren't bad. These are a size 11. I thought they were about to be a 12, like everything else I've been pulling. These are a size 11, my size, but I don't need them. They're not bad though. I got a homie that love working out in these because they got that flat sole, so he can do his little legs and his leg days and stuff. They even got the Jumpman fully intact. Check out the bottom. These are in really good shape. These are in real good shape. Jordan 10 Shadows. I hope they Shadows. I think that's what they called. I had them in my personal collection at one time. Everybody's favorite. We got some retro 2s. We speeding through this box. These are not dead stock. These are size 12 Concord 2s. I got some guys that love 2s, and I got more guys that hate them. But I like 2s. But I like low top 2s better than highs. How weird is that? Size 12 on these. Check out the bottom. I guess, I don't know, these are in good shape. These are in really good shape. For a $950 box, I haven't pulled out nothing that just blows my mind though. I pulled out, so this probably ain't my best box of the year or nothing like that. I need to make sure that it really cost $900. I think it did. I'm pretty sure it did. I know I got a super expensive box coming. Make sure you guys. Okay, we back. Had the alarm go off on shooting from my phone. Had the alarm go off and it just threw the whole video off. We got 2 left in this box, man. Jordan 1 mid, size 11. This is a women's Jordan. I don't know the nickname to these. Like some kind of hologram or something on the back. These are dead stock, size 11 in women's. Hopefully they have some kind of value. Probably not, since the retail was $115. I don't know. This is a mid. I don't know. They're dead stock, so that's gonna help. $900 box, guys. We'll see, man. You have to add them up. It's a ton of shoes, so maybe it was definitely a quality or a quantity over quality box. I haven't pulled out nothing crazy. And the last pair is a Vapor Max, size 12. 97. Vapor Max 97. These appear to be dead stock. Some of the Vapor Maxes go for a pretty penny. I don't know what these are hitting for right now. As far as, especially with these being dead stock, I love these, the colorway of these. I wasn't a big fan of the Vapor Max bottom on the 97s. I love 97s and I love Vapor Maxes. I don't know how I like the hybrid joints. I mean, they cool. But anyway, these are size 12, dead stock. Not super impressed with the box. I can't even cap to y'all. For it to be a $900 box. And you know, I'm not even sure if it was I think it might have been $950. I'll put that down below. I'm not even sure because I think it was $9 plus the $50 shipping. I'm gonna have to run some numbers on these and see what these shoes is going for. It just goes to show all boxes don't have gold bricks in them. Sometimes they just bricks, but nonetheless, I'm still grateful, and I'm pretty sure I'll make something off the box. It just, when you spend $900, it's like, dang, you expect an off-white or a Yeezy or something crazy in it, but it ain't always like that. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. Again, I got another, I don't know if the camera cut off or not. I got a super expensive box coming. I think it's the second most expensive box I got from Soul Supremacy. I'm pretty sure it is. So I know I got a $2,000 box, and this one is just right under that. Make sure you subscribe for that box. Hopefully it's a little bit more exciting than this one. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE and hit the for sale page up. Hopefully I have some of this stuff posted by then. And hit that eBay link. Last week I ran like 20 auctions, maybe 25 auctions on eBay last week. And if they didn't sell, they they relisted or whatever. So hit the eBay link, hit the for sale page. I got stuff scattered all over the place, just trying to move this stuff around. Appreciate my guy down in Texas, Steve. I appreciate that dude, man. He hit me up and got a mystery box from me. So I always appreciate when you guys hit me up about the mystery boxes, putting faith in me to send you guys a good quality box, which I always try to do. If you're watching this, Steve, hopefully you like the box. Hit me up, let me know. I think that is going to conclude this video. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.